आपको क्या पसंद है, बियर्ड या फिर क्लीन शेव?
When you see a guy with a beard and you don't like guys with beards, but you see them with a beard and you're like, oh, he's hot. I like beard. Having beard, like I.
No, those are not beard.
What's up?
Welcome to the most entertaining show, Street Flicks. जहाँ होगी WhatsApp का सवाल और कोलकाता की जुबान। मैं आपको ले चलूंगा रास्ते पे, पूछूंगा questions लोगों से। So come on, let's enjoy the fun ride. Follow me. Okay guys, so here we have two beautiful ladies. So the first question for you is, what do you prefer, clean shaved or beard?
Clean shaved.
Beard.
Beard. Clean shaved.
Beard. Clean shave.
And your reason for your answer?
I love Shah Rukh Khan when he's clean shaved. Boy looks cute. Beard means very matured.
Very matured, okay.
Clean shave.
And your reason?
Beard is pokey.
Clean shave.
Clean shave.
Yeah, same reason.
Same
Very
reason.
pokey,
Beard is
very
pokey.
irritating.
Okay, beard is pokey and irritating.
Because I don't like guys in beard, so much beard and moustache I don't like. I personally
You just don't like it like
prefer.
that. What do you prefer, beard or clean shaved?
Beard.
Any reason for your answer?
I like to see my boyfriend with beard.
Beard. I find it annoying that so many girls hate beards, but they're actually attractive on some people.
Yeah, it's like an ornament for men, right?
Yeah. But it doesn't necessarily mean that men are masculine or not masculine, whether they have a beard or not.
I like the manly boy.
Boys look cool with beard. Like if they don't have beard, I don't want to say that particular word, but I like beard. Having beard, like I like boys having beard.
Beard. It suits on a man. It depends on his personality.
A boy with beard, anytime.
Beard.
क्यों? कोई reason आपका?
Guys look manly. Beard.
Beard?
Yeah.
The same reason or something else?
No, it looks better.
He looks sexy, kind of.
Okay, he looks sexy. So the question for you is, I cannot ask you that question. So, makeup or no makeup?
No makeup.
No makeup.
Well, it depends upon how beautiful the girl is. If she's not that beautiful, so obviously she has to give up makeup. Yeah, and if she is, then you can like her without makeup.
No makeup.
And why is that?
I prefer simple ones because usually girls make up and then they hide their face, you know. And when we actually get married to them, we have to live without making up with them. So
Okay, that
it's like
happens with a
they
lot
can't live makeup every time. So I prefer without makeup.
of- No makeup. Why?
We prefer it natural. Because people look actually simple. Because if they look what they actually are, that is what is more attractive.
Okay, that's a very good answer. Word from Urban Dictionary Challenge. What do you understand by beer goggles?
Beer goggles.
Beer goggles.
जो गांधी वाले चश्मे
No, those are not beer goggles.
Hairy goggles on a beard.
No, that's not.
No, she kind of got that image in my mind and now it's stuck there.
Never heard about it.
So I guess it's like overly beard face, and then it's like covered all over.
Yeah, it's like beard goggles.
Yeah, beer goggles. No, not beard.
Oh, B-E-E-R.
No, the beer you drink.
Yeah, beard goggles.
Beer goggles,
Beer goggles. Yeah, beer goggles. Beer goggles. What is beer goggles?
Beer, it's a drink with a beverage. Beer.
Yeah, it's a beverage, but beer goggles.
Someone who drinks fast.
Goggles.
I just think about beers.
Yeah, beer and then goggles.
I don't know.
You're going on laughing.
I don't know.
Any guess just like that?
goggles with able to drink beer.
Probably something related to protect your eyes, obviously.
Goggles which may have something shaped like beer.
Okay, the goggles that are made, you know, those funny ones with beer.
Okay, I know the Urban Dictionary thing.
Some kind of equipment or
It's a state of mind.
When the person is clueless, he does not know anything how to react. Everything goes on fizzy. Something like that. He's wearing a goggles. He cannot see anything properly.
The feel you get after you get drunk.
When the person is totally drunk and he says anything in the drunken situation.
Maybe you'll see everything double.
Or black and a little darker.
Oh, hangover type.
While you are drunk and you are wearing goggles.
Goggles dip in beer.
No, it's not that.
I don't know that.
Big goggles, I think. I don't know.
So I think like the way you perceive things, see things around you after you are tipsy. Like under the influence of drinking, when you see a guy with a beard and you don't like guys with beards, but you see them with a beard and you're like, oh, he's hot.
Like I might not be enjoying right now, but when I'm high or hangover, I'll enjoy everything what I do. Maybe that's what beard goggles means.
Associated with goggles. Beer with goggles.
It's like a person drinking beer wearing goggles. Yeah, no clue.
No
I
clue.
have no clue.
Not even a little bit. Little tiny bit.
A bear wearing sunglasses.
पता नहीं यार टोल बंदा ही होना कोई.
Beer goggles definition from Urban Dictionary. A phenomenon in which one's consumption of alcohol makes physically unattractive persons appear beautiful.
That is beer. We prefer to be sober.
No, it doesn't look.
Have you ever experienced beer goggles before?
I haven't been that high actually. No.
Never.
So today it's a wrap of our episode. So I guess you had a lot of fun, guys. And if you want to say anything, please drop in the comment box below. And do not forget to subscribe to our channel. Goodbye. Till then, have a good time.
Hit the red subscribe button below and then press the bell icon to get notified each time you upload a new video. Never miss to say what's up. Beard are not flattering on all guys. Some dude looks better clean shaven, while others seems more attractive with a face full of fur. What's your choice? Beard or no beard? Watch our other episodes here. Kissing in public, click on the box on your left. And to get a tips on the dating, click on the box on your right. And keep streaming. What's up?